Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the portfolio to the start section in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into a portfolio, this. And then in the top right corner, we find three little dots. If you tap on those, we can just, there's a section that pops up. And here in the middle, we find add to start. And if you tap on this, the portfolio is going to be added to the start section, which means that here, if we go back to the home page and we tap on portfolios, there's going to be the start section added. And we can find the added portfolio here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.